We are Nomadtuktuk and we are going to explore Ganesh festival. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
We are Indian Vietnamese family. We vlog about traveling and unschooling. Please subscribe us for more fun. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
What's there? What will be there?
Like big gun party and all the items.
Ask me. I am always excited.
Are you excited?
Ever since I was a kid, I was excited about this. So excited. So excited. I feel like I'm 8-year-old. Yo!
You feel like 8 years old?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Here's again. We have five people on this one scooter.
Ganpati Bappa!
Moria!
We are in Kolhapur, my husband's hometown, and this is the fourth Ganpati. I'm here in India, but actually the second one. We have some big performance like this due to the COVID, and this was so fun. So I was so excited to show you. This one is one kind of. And in this video, we won't do anything. We'll show you different Ganpati.
And the story behind and stuff I'll speak once I get out of scooter. So when I was a kid, I used to come to this place. So what happens is during Ganpati, there are different groups at every corner of the city. They make, some make live performances, some make sets like these. I'm not sure what's inside, but when I was a kid, they used to make caves and ghost town and all that stuff. And I really enjoyed this place. So that's why we are here. Let's see what's there.
You are from Kolhapur?
Yes.
Yeah. So what inside do you know?
There is some temples.
They make it so nice, right? Let's go inside. No?
So we are waiting in the queue. We are the next. They have separate queue for women and separate queue for men. Let's see when our turn comes.
some play, and we are here waiting for them.
So Ganpati was more of a family festival. They used to have Ganpatis at home, but it's only about 120 years ago that they started celebrating Ganpati in public. So there was one freedom fighter leader when India was a colony of British. He was the one who introduced public Ganpati festival to educate people on social issues, to bring people together to fight against British. His name was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He started the public Ganpati to get people together.
Unfortunately, the electricity just went off and we have no chance to watch the drama.
But there are a few other places where they'll be playing drama. So
Yeah, let's go.
yeah.
This kind of occasion, right? Cheese food is becomes so much popular because everyone go out, hang out with family, friends, and of course they have street food.
So I remember when I was a kid, the only time when I ate outside was this.
It is almost 9:30 in the evening, and as you see, the roads is become more crowded because after dinner, people start to go out and visit all the Ganpati spot. It's so fun here, Ganpati, and then all the mouse are doing gym around. This spot belongs to one gym bus company, Stray Enterprise. Looking at us because I don't think there is other family 5 people in one scooter like us. Like this. Look at the traffic, and tomorrow will be more because tomorrow I think all the whole city will sleep the whole night. Wow, it's so noisy here. We have been filming for a few days, and today is the last day of Ganpati. Tomorrow they will bring all the big Ganpati go out on the road, normally put to the river with the for this year. This one they make a whole palace for this occasion, and you see it's so crowded now.
So this is Radha Krishna Tarun Mandal. Every year they have something innovative. They make some grand sets. So this one is looks like mosque, and then there is Ganpati inside. So let's check out what is inside. Yeah, so it's time for street party. We are Nomadtuktuk, and we are going to see the procession for immersion of big Ganesha idols. When I was a kid, it used to be a big street party. I've not seen this in a few years, so let's see.
Yesterday it took us 2 hours to cross 1 kilometer and stuck in the middle of the road. So today we decided not to go anywhere.
Just walk.
Walk around the house a little
And
bit.
today, you can't even take scooter out, because everything is happening on this street.
Yeah, look at this. So
very crowded.
we are heading to the main road. Look at all the people here and there around. Look like a big pub. I think the whole city is just on the streets.
Not just whole city, people from around, everywhere.
Yeah, but I can't breathe. This is not for me, definitely.
Yeah, so we'll go there and go to the bigger road. So the place we were at, it was impossible to move. So, and because of COVID, this did not happen for 2 years. So this year people are over enthusiastic, I think.
This one is
We call it appe. In South India, they call it paneer appam.
it's made like octopus takoyaki. Takoyaki.
Rice.
I know, but it's the same like octopus. So in Vietnam, we put octopus in the middle.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. So this is Indian takoyaki. We couldn't stand the crowd there, so we entered the market. And I think it's time to say bye. Hope you very good time with us and enjoy the Indian culture. I'm enjoy too, man. Bye bye. We Nomadtuktuk.
Bye bye.
Do
And
not forget to
subscribe and like.
comment, share for us.
Yeah.
Bye bye. See you.
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe us for more funny videos.